Alright, so I'd like to show you a couple of lighters. Here's my street chrome zippo wick lighter. And then we have this zippo. That's right, the Zippo Blue. Butane. Flint ignition. Fuck, can't do it. Anyway, it's a flint ignition. It's a butane lighter. Zippo even changed the lid to make that click sound that they usually make. People didn't like these because they couldn't figure out how to ignite them, so they went back to the old wick. It's not that hard, people. These have the lifetime warranty. This is a rare 2005 street chrome one. The street chrome one was the only style they had before they were actually made to the public. I got this one from Doral, back when they made good cigarettes. Also, I have a bunch more Zippos. I have my GM logo one. I have a regular chrome Zippo Slim. The regular chrome one with a thicker case on it, which is kind of a rare one. Smoke chrome, brushed stainless steel mini or slim, an older street chrome with the logo, and that one, and that's the style my dad used to have. He had one of these for many years that looked like that. Yeah, those are my lighters, and we come over here and got the cheap Scriptos, the Ronson butane lighters, and a solid gold 14 karat Imperial. And then we got the Bic. So that's my lighter collection. Hope you enjoyed it.